Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login8. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your CoinMarketCap app. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your CoinMarketCap app. Once your app is open, you will be on the markets page. Now to log in, you'll have to tap on the icon at the top right corner right beside the search icon. Once you tap on that, a bar opens up from the right side of your screen. Here at the top, you can see the sign up option and the login option. If you don't have an account yet and you haven't created one, you may tap on the sign up option, follow the prompts, and create an account. However, if you do have an account and you haven't logged into it yet, then you may tap on the login button. To log into your account, you'll have to enter your email address and your password. However, you're also given a choice to log in using your Google account and your Apple ID as well. However, here I'll be logging into my account using my email address and my password. So you may tap on the first text box to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, then you may tap on the second text box right under password to enter your password. In any case, if you forget your password, you may tap on the forgot password link right above the password text box. Once you make sure that you filled in both your details correctly, then you may tap on the login button. This will simply log you into your account. Furthermore, to check if you've logged into your account, you may tap on the icon at the top right corner again. Here, a bar opens up and then at the top you can see your username. Under your username, you can see your email. This means that you've successfully logged into your CoinMarketCap account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.